Okay, so in this video we will do an unboxing of a really cool new device called HUION Kamvas Slate 11. It's an Android tablet with a Nano Texture Matte Display, perfect for reading ebooks, and you can also take notes with the pen. So this device will be really cool to try out and install co-reader of course and all other apps for reading later on. But in this video we will only do an unboxing and a first start. So here we have my table cam, and here we have the box itself, as you see, HUION Kamvas Slate 11. You will find links down below in the description text where you can buy this. And as you see, a creative drawing pad. I will not use it much for drawing, I don't draw much, but I will use this for reading instead. And here we have some specifications on the box. And let's try unboxing this now. I will do plenty of videos with this Android tablet later on for reading purposes, because my YouTube channel is all about ebook reading and ebook readers and e-readers and so on. So this will be all about that, and I will do a lot of videos coming with this interesting device, the Kamvas Slate 11 from HUION. Let's see if you can do the magic unboxing that Apple started. Almost as magic. Yes, like that. And here we have the tablet folio case at the top. Really nice. It comes with a folio case. We will try that later on. Hopefully great for as a stand when reading. I hope for that. And here we have the tablet itself. It's an 11-inch full HD plus Android tablet, 1920 by 1200 in resolution, 207 ppi, just 7.5 millimeter thick, and 500 grams only. And the pencil is a 4096 pressure sensitivity on, so that's nice too. Like so. Here we have the matte display. As you see, I really love matte displays for reading. I've done my iPad and my iPhone with this matte display technology, so I can't be without it now. Once go matte, you never go back, as I used to say. And as you see, you have the sensor and the camera in landscape mode for this. That's interesting. And you have a camera here, a 13 pixel HD camera. You have 8 GB of RAM, a 90 Hz refresh rate on the display, a MediaTek Helio G99 CPU. I really love the matte display, no glare, no reflections whatsoever. And here we have a pen. And this pen should be charged by USB-C, but you don't need to pair with Bluetooth and so on. It will work directly on the display as long as you have a charge for it. And you have a button probably for eraser, for example. And what's more in the box? We have just one more thing. And that is probably some instructions and maybe a charging cable, I can guess. Here we have an instruction of everything, and here you see an image of the folio case. Looks nice. Here we have an artist glove. I will not use that ever. For people that draw and paint on these kinds of devices. And here we have a micro SD card removable pin. You have support for 1 terabyte of micro SD card in this. And this has 128 gigabyte of storage as default. And here we have some pen edges. I don't know what it calls in English, but here you have that you can switch when they are used, as you see there. As I said, I don't use pens much. I use these for reading mostly. And here we have a USB-C to USB-C cable. So, pre-installed on this are some artist programs like HiPaint, HiNote, Ibis Paint and Clip Studio Paint. And you have also an 8,000 mAh battery life and 4 stereo speakers. That's nice. So let's do a first start of it. Let's remove these stickers. I don't like stickers on my devices. Maybe I can do that later on because it was harder than I think it should be. Well, I'll remove that later on. So here at the top we have stereo speakers, and at the bottom we have stereo speakers and a USB-C port. We have the micro SD card there. And on the side we have the power button and volume rocker. And as I said, a camera on the back. And on this side we have some microphone. So let's turn the power on. Like so. You see it starts even in landscape mode. That's interesting. Because it's an artist tablet probably. When that is powering up, we can open the folio case. And let's open that. And it has already powered the tablet up very fast actually. So let's continue with this now. We should see if we can have Swedish language because I am from Sweden. Yes, we can have Sweden. Swedish. Vision in. Well, that will be default for me now. So let's start. Now I should choose a network. Really nice display. I love this display so far. Really nice. I love this matte display. This will be perfect for reading. I can already tell that. It's a bit heavy though. I think it's heavier than the XP Pen Magic Notepad. Even if it feels smaller than that. A lot smaller. Strangely. Okay, so I will not copy apps. I will just see that it will start for now, and then I will do all the settings for my apps and so on. It needs my Google account here, so now I'm logged into my Google account. Feels nice in the hand, really nice. It's very heavy and the build quality is very good. So I love this device so far. Very, very good. Nowadays you need to choose which web browser and which search engine you want, because of EU probably. Now it will start, hopefully. Yes. Here we have a really nice background for artists. I will probably change that though, but looks nice and feels nice in the hand. And here we have some settings and so on, you see. Really nice. I think this is very nice. And here you can set the how bright the display should be. Well, I think this will be it for this video. As I said, you can find links down below in the description text where you can buy this, and it will be very interesting to try this out for reading books. I really love it. And by the way, here we have the case. That's as I said before, very plastic and rubbery. I'm not sure I like that, but let's see if we can turn that without like so. It was very hard, but here we have a case that you can have as a stand. Finally, this will be great for reading, I see. So not only for doing some art, you can do this for reading too. That's nice, really nice. I love that. And here it is when it's in the case. The case was not the nicest one I've seen, but it works. Okay, so that's it for this video. We will see a lot of videos with this device later on, so it will be very interesting to try this out. Okay, bye.